Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you food ordering application in Angular 19 with Bootstrap 5. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, see the beautiful and very basic food ordering application. See friends. Here's a cart, empty. Here's the food items. View details. Here's a single item page. See guys, image, title, pricing, and add to cart button. And see, works well. And now add to cart functionality. See guys, add to cart is a added to cart. Okay, go to cart page. See friends, item added. Here's checkout page, and I will add one more item as well. The burger. Burger has been added. See the cart page. Great. And the pasta as well. Add to cart. The cart page, guys. Item are adding, showing the cart page. He proceeds to checkout and checkout page as well. You guys see, works well. Guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Here's my blog, therichpost.com. Here's the contact enterprise page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, and my WhatsApp number as well. Again, I'm full-time freelancer, and you can hire me as hourly basis as well. I guess also on my blog, you will get the more free templates. See, Angular e-commerce, admin dashboard templates, as many as you can. See, guys. So, guys, this is it. And if you will have any kind of query, then must document on this video as well. I will check and solve your issue as well. So, friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.